funny.
Happy birthday, pre.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Wow.
Award, hawakan mo to.
Here we are! Celestina in.
Ayun Nani, gusto ko lang mag-thank you kasi sa 8 years natin pagsasama, hindi mo ako iniwan. Tsaka gusto ko din mag-thank you sa friends natin kasi nag-effort sila dito para mag-open relations.
Forever seems like a long time, but nothing seems like a long time when I I feel like I'm walking on water since the day that I asked your father to let go of his daughter. So give me your blessing, sir. I'll give her all that I've got.
Crush a bit, little bit, roll it up, take a hit, feeling lit, feeling right, 2 a.m.
summer night. I don't care, hand on the wheel, driving drunk, I'm doing my thing. Rolling the mid beside and now, living my life, getting our dreams. I'ma do just what I want, looking ahead, no turning back. People told me slow my roll, I'm screaming out, fuck
Happy birthday,
that.
Edward.
I'm screaming out, fuck that. I'm screaming out, fuck that.
Hoy, wala
Fuck that, fuck that.
Sabihin mo, gusto mo lang.
Pete! Senyor! Matulog ka na kaya? Ayun, Pete!
Gagawin ko na natin.
Kuya, pinapano. Ay, I don't know the award.
Tell me what you know about dreaming, dreaming. You don't really know about nothing, nothing. Tell me what you know about the night terrors every night. 5 a.m. cold sweats waking up to the sky. I'm on the pursuit of happiness, and I know everything that shine ain't always gonna be gold. Hey, I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be good. I'm on the pursuit of happiness, and I know everything that shine ain't always gonna be gold. Hey, I'll be fine once I get it. Tell me what you know about dreams, dreams. Tell me what you know about night terrors, nothing. You don't really care about the trials of tomorrow. Rather lay awake in the bed full of sorrow.
Hindi, hindi niya. Wapang hindi niya kaya yan.
9.5.
Pwede lagyan natin Sprite para.
Everything that shine ain't always gonna be gold. Hey, I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be good.